What's up, guys?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Personal Raven.
And I'm Nisi.
Welcome
to
back
TNT Beauty.
Welcome back.
Yeah,
We haven't done films in a long time, so yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while, but we are back and super excited about today's video. So, Mama's got a brand new vanity. It is the Impressions Vanity SlayStation.
Yeah, we got a lot of vanities in here. Ooh, they got a new bed set.
Okay, well, we're not talking about the new bed. We're just talking about the vanity today. It's beautiful. It's pristine. It's worth every dime. So I'll start by just telling you how much it costs. Everybody,
and we know what we ever like it.
Okay, that's enough. All right. So everybody that I watched, they said that they paid over like $1,000. I paid $607, including the shipping. Now 140 of that was a shipping, but I waited until Labor Day, and they were having a sale, and then I had signed up for the email list as well, and so they sent me a coupon code, and with those two things, the unit that I got, it was the vanity mirror, it was the clear tabletop, and that's the whole reason I went with this vanity in the first place, and then the two drawers that it sits on top of, and oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. But those two items cost $467.
Yeah, we have what we know,
cents.
and we take what we want.
So we kind of went over how to save a little bit of coin, which is everything. I never thought that I would spend even $600 on a vanity. I had every intention of spending between $100 and $200, but I saw what I wanted, and those glass tops really just did it for me. So after I made my purchase, I received the vanity pretty quickly. It was less than a week. It was quicker than what I expected. The package was super heavy. Funny story. So my husband brought home the package, and I had warned him it's going to be really heavy, so he brought it home. I get it in, and I'm kind of independent, so I thought I'm just going to put this baby together. And so I start putting it together, and I'm like, yeah, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. This is not that terrible, because everybody made it seem like it's so hard to put together. Well, apparently that was only the top. That was not the drawers at all. So it took me, I don't know, between 2.5, 3 hours or something like that to put the top of the vanity together. And so several days later, I got the drawers, and I was able to put the drawers together on my own. And then I had my dad, and Juan helped me put together the units that hold the drawers, and then to put the whole thing together. I highly recommend that you get help. Don't do it by yourself. It's really heavy, and it's a lot of work, but I didn't run into many problems putting the drawers together, and I'm not good at putting things together. But once all of it's done, it's really worth it. Okay, so the vanity chair we got from Amazon, and it was $143, similar to the price of the ones on Impressions, but I was looking for a specific color, a very specific style, and this was it for me. Let's tell them about our mirror. That is the best part. We love the mirror so much.
It can light up.
Yes, we love it because it lights up beautifully. It's got a dimmer on it. This did come from Amazon as well. The ones on Impressions, they range from smaller in size to huge. This one's a pretty good size. I don't remember exactly how many inches it is, but we do love it. And this was right at $260, which is a lot to spend on a mirror, but my husband bought it for me, so it's okay. Thanks, honey. And the chair, too.
You guys.
Okay, so here we are. We're going to start with the left side. Okay, we got the little Victoria's Secret. We got the standing cosmetic bag. It was super cheap. I got it off eBay, brand new. Thought that was really cute with the decor. And then we've got my Victoria's Secret fragrance collection. We've got the Heavenly Shine. We've got the Bombshell Wildflower. And then the original Bombshell, which I use all the time. That's one of my faves. And then we've got XO Victoria. And then there is the Versace Bright Crystal. Doesn't go with anything, but it does actually go because it's pink. Anyways. Alright, so we got the clear top here. And I love the clear top so much that I filled it with a bunch of stuff that... yeah, I've never even used most of this. I got it specifically for this. So I was going to go with a purple theme. If you look on Pinterest or, what is it? Or Instagram, you see all these really pretty pink SlayStations. They're not pink, but they have everything pink, and I kind of wanted to do that with purple. But I kind of strayed away from that because as I was redoing my room, I was doing all this at the same time, like the vanity and the room. I ended up having like black and white more than purple. Like you can see I have a thing for black and white, and so I started doing purple and I just kind of strayed. But sorry about the sun, guys. I've got some face masks, an excessive amount of lip balms because we don't do chapped lips here. I've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow sleeping mask, and I can't wait to use that. I've always wanted to try that. Some Kate Somerville Tatcha. I actually have tried that Tatcha before. I like it. This just happens to be a new pack. And then I've got some Pacifica makeup remover wipes. I don't use them, but like if I ever, have a late night or something and I just don't feel like washing my face, it's better than nothing. Okay, so the next area is like the black area. And I've got some of my favorite palettes here. Let's see. It's less of a glare. The sun's crazy right now. I've got the Urban Decay Naked palette. Got the Colored Rain X Power palette. Just some fun things here. I love this one, the Nomad. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And guys, I'm so sorry about the sunshine. She's got a mind of her own. But bear with me. We've got Celestial Thunder. This is my favorite, the Tardis Pro. And I don't even know if you can see how gorgeous that is, but it is so pretty. And it's heavy, and like I can smell the chocolate scent from here. I love. Okay, and then here, this is obviously not a palette, but this is Narciso Rodriguez for her, and I just thought it's just so beautiful. I love that it's different. I love that it's black. Oh, and Let There Be Light. Thank you, Paris. Turn that off. We're not there yet. Okay, so on the right side, I really don't know what I want to do with this area. I don't think I'm going to keep it like this, but I've got some fun things here. Inside the drawer, I've got some Victoria's Secret body creams. I've got 2 Tarte palettes, which I just think these are so pretty. I have hand sanitizer because you can never have enough during these times. And then I've got this huge Lorac Mega Pro palette, and it's got some very nice fall colors. So pretty. So on top here, I've got my adorable unicorn mug. I just love this so much. I've got a few fun things in here. I've got the Too Faced Peach Primer, some Tarte bronzer, a few little perfumes. I've got the Bath & Body Works 1 in a Million roll-on. I don't even know what that smells like, but I'm sure it smells lovely. Got my aromatherapy lotion, and I use that like crazy. I've got a few styling products. Paris, do you mind? I've got a few styling products from my FabFitFun box. These 3 things all came from FabFitFun, along with this super cute charger. I just think that's adorable. Okay. And then we've got the Dolce & Gabbana Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, great. Okay, so here in the middle, let me just have a seat here. I've got my cute little makeup headband, and Paris thinks this is hers for some reason. I've also got the e.l.f. Marshmallow Soothing Mask, and I just got it because it was purple. I might actually use it one of these days. I've got a hyaluronic and vitamin serum here. I got this from Marshall's. I got this. So this is the Pure Soak It Up Intense Hydrating Moisturizer. And I couldn't even see that it would look like this. It was in a box, and when I unboxed it, I was just blown away. I think that's so beautiful, so delicate, and hopefully the moisturizer on the inside is as pretty and as wonderful as what's on the outside. And then I've got this little French lavender candle. Alright, so the best part about this mirror, okay, yeah, I just went from the vanity to the mirror, but it's not even picking up that well, but the lights are so warm and just inviting and beautiful, and oh my gosh, I love, love, love these lights. I don't even put my makeup on in here. I do that in the bathroom area, but I guess when I'm just feeling special, like I want to slay, got the perfect little setup here. Okay, so next I'll just give you a quick peek in some of my drawers. I've just had this for like 2 weeks, so I'm definitely not finished organizing things. So this first little drawer, I've got some palettes here, just some fun palettes. We've got the Anastasia Color Pop. I really like this Happy Hibiscus.
Let's see how this one looks.
I think that's pretty.
Let me see how this one looks.
Well, no, because that one's in a case.
So we've got this one.
Okay, another drawer of palettes.
This one's let's see this one.
Paris is digging the nude palette, even though she's not a nude girl. She likes colors. That is cute, though. I've never seen that.
It's a brush.
Okay. All right, so then we've got the Too Faced, the chocolate bar. I love this just because it smells like chocolate, and it does have some pretty fall colors.
Can I show you how you dip it?
Yes, Paris.
Just like your, when you do this, you're like,
Okay, that's good.
that's good. And,
Okay. You want to do a swatch on your arm? Put it on your arm.
Wait, it's supposed to go on your arm?
No, but I don't want you to put it on your face. Hey, oh wow, you can like, look at the gold. It's flying everywhere, fun. Okay, so what else do we have in here? The Juvia's, the Juvia's Place Nubian. Everybody's got that palette.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you. Yes, let's put that back.
Next drawer.
Okay, and like I said, I don't have an excessive amount of makeup, nor do I want an excessive amount. And I don't. Hey, can you stop? I don't have a lot going on in the way of organization, but I do have my my mascaras here. We got the Urban Decay Perversion, 2 Tarte Big Egos, the Tarte Maneater. Paris, please be quiet. We've got the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout. We've got the Fenty, and I've got this in a smaller size too. And then Trestique, and this comes with an eyelash curler. The drawer.
And we got this next door. You want to do this?
Okay, so here we have, I've got some face masks. My favorite face mask. Stop, please.
Okay.
My favorite face mask right now is the Peter Thomas Roth. And when you put this on, it's got this cool warming sensation. I don't know how effective it is, but I just like that. I've got a few foundations. The Bobbi Brown, that's good for every day. Then we've got the Urban Decay All-Nighter, that's better for special occasions. I've got this just mixed in with stuff it doesn't go with. We got the, this is a Rihanna perfume. And then my favorite perfume right now, oddly enough, is the J.Lo Miami Glow. I definitely need some more of this on my Christmas list.
But that's a hard one to give my mom.
Right. So this is the Vera Wang Princess, Glam Princess. And
She already has
I've
one.
actually been wearing this around the house a lot.
I want something.
It's not my favorite. I don't wear my favorites around the house, but I do like this. And so, yeah,
Can I
that's
have
kind of
some,
been my
Mom?
go-to.
I want spray.
Can you wait, please?
Sure.
And this is my OG Ralph Lauren Romance. I've had this forever. I've been wearing this since I was in like high school. Love this.
And that's this one.
And Paris likes this pink. This is the Ellie Saab Rose Couture.
Ooh, I like
And
that one.
yeah.
The blush.
Oh yeah, there is one more drawer. Okay, so this is the bronzer drawer. Except for I've got a few primers in there. But let's see, we've got some Becca, Tarte. These are actually nude glosses. Okay, this is the summertime drawer. Look at that. The color effects. I've never tried this. Oh, please don't open that. But look at how pretty that is.
Try this.
I do like that bronzer that P's got. That's a nice, subtle bronzer, but it shows up.
Okay, sorry.
And this Artist Couture Diamond Dust. I love that.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Some nice Wet n Wilds. I haven't used these, but I think they're so pretty and they seem promising. All right, you guys, so that is it for the vanity tour. I've had so much fun just putting this together. It's so satisfying, and I love looking at it every time I come into my bedroom. I just feel like it's classy, timeless, and I will love this for a long time. If you want to see a room tour, because I've just redone my room, if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. But until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.